Hey everyone, after a very long day, my family and I love cuddling on our comfy couch and watching some movies or some TV shows together. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you how to turn your TV into a smart TV using the Roku Premiere. Hey everyone, I'm Nikki and welcome to Life Made Simply. In today's video, we are in my living room, which is the main living area where we love to cuddle up on the couch, watch TV. I found a way that you can stream thousands of movies and TV shows using the Roku Premiere. It's super easy to install and I wanted to share how I did that with you. I want to thank Home Depot for partnering with me and sponsoring this video. We will be talking about smart home devices and accessories for your home, all to help you live a more simple life. If you are new here to this channel, I invite you to subscribe to join the Simple Life Society where we share our inspiration and tips for simple living. You can also follow me on my Instagram, which is Made Simply Home. And don't forget to check down in the description box for links to the products, including the Roku at homedepot.com, as well as more information and a link to my blog post on my website. So a while back, we had like the cable box and the wires, and we just paid way too much for a bunch of channels that we didn't watch. And a lot of people are saying you should just go streaming, and I'm like, what did that really mean? Because I think we're just so used to the wires and the cable box. I went ahead and got the Roku, and I love that I could have all the apps that I needed to watch my channels, and it's like having a smart TV without paying the price to get an expensive smart TV. I have all my apps on there, including Netflix, ABC, Hulu, NBC. I've been watching so many shows and I've been discovering new shows and new movies to watch because I have the Roku that has all of these features at my fingertips. And it really saves us money in the long run because the price for going out to the movies with like the expensive movie food and just the prices alone add up. So I love that we can watch a lot of movies and TV shows together here in the comfort of our home. So everything comes in here, everything that you need for easy setup. All you do is plug it into the HDMI, connect it to the internet, and then you can start streaming. It can connect to 1080p HD and 4K Ultra HD TVs, which makes the movie watching experience even better. So what's included in here is your Roku Premiere, the remote with the preset channel shortcut buttons. It comes with two AAA batteries, a premium high-speed HDMI cable, and a USB power cable and the power adapter. Here is the remote, and to make things even simpler, it has shortcut buttons. So we have Netflix, Hulu, Sling, and ESPN Plus. So this is the Roku Premiere right here. And as you can see, it takes up very, very little space and it does so much. So in the back, it has the HDMI cable as well as the USB. And all you do is take this off and it has the remote sensor there. Yeah, I mean, how cute is that? It's literally smaller than the remote itself. And then they have this sticky, so this will stick on here, and then you're able to just stick it on your TV wherever you want. You can either stick it below your TV, above your TV, on the side. Kind of gives you a bunch of options just so you can put the remote sensor where you like, which I think is a really smart idea. They also give you a quick start guide, so it's really easy to set up, tells you everything you have, because like me, sometimes I need the pictures to help me out. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd love it if you leave me a comment down below letting me know what is your favorite fall time TV shows or a movie that you recommend. I would love to get some recommendations on new movies and share them with the Simple Life Society. So leave me a comment down below. Let me walk you through the quick and easy setup. Plug in the power USB and HDMI cable to the Roku and run the wires behind the TV for a seamless look. And then use the adhesive to stick it to the TV with the sensor facing forward. Plug in your HDMI port to your TV, and once the power and USB is plugged in, it should power on. Once your TV is turned on, the setup guide will guide you through connecting to your Wi-Fi and update the software if needed. It will also help you stream the best quality possible and then guide you through the activation. I was able to activate it on my phone and create my Roku account. It will also take you through a questionnaire to find the perfect apps for you and your preferences, including free movies and TV, kids and family, sports, and my favorite, home and garden. I can do all of this without leaving my couch, and the apps will install automatically. While my apps were downloading, I added the free Roku app to my phone. I can control the Roku devices as another remote, add or launch channels to my Roku, or even stream movies and shows on the Roku channel. And just like that, I was all set up. It also has tutorials on how to use the remote and navigate the homepage. So as you can see, I have my living room back here. I try to make it as cozy and as comfortable as possible because this is just a place where we all gather, and I love that we have this huge sectional couch where we can all fit. It's important to me to have fluffy pillows, more than enough blankets for the cold nights, especially because it's fall right now. So I love that we get to snuggle together and watch some movies and watch our favorite TV shows at the end of the day. It is just like my favorite part, and even on the weekends we love to just have our movie nights. So if you'd like, go ahead and check down in the description box to shop the Roku Premiere at homedepot.com. I'll also link my previous video where I'm talking about another smart home device and must-have. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to join the Simple Life Society, and stay tuned for more videos featuring the homedepot.com. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!